Hello, I'm Sinisha from Garden City University, pursuing Masters in Biotechnology in the Garden City University located at Karpuram, Bangalore. And here we came for a training period of a session in GGIRHR, where we are going on training from 4 days, and the theory sessions which were really good, and where we learned the new things in the embryology, that is from the basic. And here the andrologist and the embryologist who are dealing with us are explaining us the sessions clearly, and the practical session which is going on in hands-on, where we are treating with the live samples of the patients, and we really learned the things and saw the live samples and got more knowledge about it. And the overall rating what I can give from the training I had is 9 out of 10, and where the students who are interested in pursuing their future as embryologists and have a good knowledge on clinical embryology is the right place, where in GGIRHR you can get a good training session and you can achieve your goals. And I'm happy with the training undergone here in GGIRHR, and thank you.